Fly with me to Vietnam. Flying from Las Vegas to Korea and then Korea to Vietnam. So our first city is Hanoi, and we do have a private tour, so it's just our family. This is our hotel. We are staying at Pan Pacific in Hanoi, and this is actually our first time ever staying here. So last year we stayed at Melia, which was super nice, and we decided to stay at a new hotel for this year to check it out, try new things. And I do want to let you guys know that this vlog is more music and voiceover, but if you guys want to see a full vlog, then you guys should check out my other channel, Trish Eats and Travels. There will be way better vlogs, more high quality, and also some food restaurant reviews as well. So I will link my other channel down below, and I'll link it above as well. Our first stop in Hanoi is going to be the church. This is St. Joseph Cathedral, and they had a celebration that day. We do go mass every Sunday, so that's what we did. And I believe it was actually a Saturday the day we went. For dinner, we went to Los Fuegos Argentinian Steak and Grill. So this restaurant has amazing steak. So I got the ribeye wagyu, and look at that garlic. We also got some chimichurri sauce and also a salad. It is amazing, medium rare. I love going here. Also their picanha is good as well, but they didn't have it the day we went, so sad, but picanha is also a great choice. And we also got some dessert, flan, and also the churro vanilla ice cream. Way to the market. Next stop is a really popular tourist attraction. This is the train street, and basically you sit at a cafe and a train will pass by.
They're in front of us.
Alright, so we are on the Sitlo, which is the one in front of us. They are taking us to the lake so we can go swan paddle, and it's going to be $150,000 for two of us on one. So we took the sit low and they are driving us, or actually biking us, to our next location. We asked if they could drive us to the lake, that way we can do the Swan paddle. It was very fun, but let me tell you guys, if you guys do not do leg day or have any leg workouts, this will be very tiring. So honestly, we were only there for like 5 to 10 minutes and we went back because it was starting to rain. But it was a lot of fun and it's a cool experience to do with your friends and family. Then for dinner we had sushi, and wow, this restaurant was so good. The salmon sashimi, the sashimis are so fresh, not fishy at all. I loved it. I will link all the restaurants and locations down below. Alright, it is time to leave Pan Pacific Hanoi Hotel, and now we are going to go to Halong Bay. So our cruise is Paradise Elegance cruise. We're doing the 2 days, 1 night cruise, and we also did this last year. So much fun. We love this cruise. The staff is always so amazing, and we had an amazing time this year, so highly recommend it. So this is our room. Every room has a balcony, table, chair. It's so relaxing and so amazing. So this is the itinerary for day 1 and day 2. You guys can definitely pause, read, and screenshot. So they gave us the dinner menu, that way we can choose our entrees so they know exactly what we want to eat later. Now we are stopping at T-Top Island, and you can either swim at the beach or hike up to see an amazing view. Last year I actually hiked up all the stairs to see the amazing view, so this year I decided to only swim. I decided to get a massage on the boat and it was so relaxing. Now time for dinner. Appetizer is the salmon salad. You also get the seafood soup. For entree, you can choose 2, so I got the lobster and also the Australian steak. And for dessert, it is ice cream, creme brulee, and also a cake. Now is day 2, and for breakfast, it's actually light breakfast, so there is tea, coffee, and also some little pastries. After light breakfast, you can do one last excursion, which is the surprising cave. And this spot, you do have to walk up a few stairs, and then in this cave, it's called the surprising cave because it's really big, super beautiful, and very surprising. On top. It's actually shorter than I remembered it, honestly. Then we can enter the cave right here, and there is someone selling drinks here. Last time there was not someone, now there is. We're about to go back down, take that little bridge, and get back. Take the bridge and go back to the boat. After the cave is breakfast, and after breakfast is checking out. So after Halong Bay for our private tour, we went to a museum and it was really cool and interesting. We actually been here I think a few years back, but now we wanted to check it out again.
Yeah, this is a bed, and this is the main altar.
Yeah, like
for
the bed
family.
frame.
Yeah, right. And then you put a hand over it. And if you know you are very close friends, they can make the green tea. Then you are invited to have the green tea in here.
Như là một cái
For dinner, we got pizza for peas, and if you guys are craving like pizza and pasta, I highly recommend coming here. It's so good. For my pizza, I got half zucchini and also half salmon. So that is the end of Hanoi vlog. The next vlog is Da Nang, so stay tuned for the next vlog. Again, if you guys want to see more in-depth and detailed videos, check out my other channel, Trish Eats and Travels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and also follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!